guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I bring you our well-known Nigerian beans and plantain, but in a little bit different ways, and I am sure at the end of this video you're gonna love this recipe. Leave your comfort zone, be creative in your kitchen, surprise your family with a wow taste, and you will be happy about it. My name is Annie Krieger. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us, and to my comeback subscribers, one love, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post all these interesting cooking tips and lifestyle video. Don't forget to like this video at the end of it, share with your family, and also leave your comment down below. So what are we waiting for? Without wasting your time, let me run you through the ingredients. So the main ingredient is the black eyed pea or black eyed beans. I call it black eyed beans. That's what I'm using for today. And then I have a vegetable oil. I have 3 fresh tomato, 2 red bell pepper, 3 onions. I have blended shrimps. I have some spoons of sour cream, and then I have my ripe plantain. Next I have some blended Scotch bonnet pepper, vegetable powder, salt to taste, turmeric, and 1 garlic clove. So next step. Next, you're going to bring some water to cook and then add your dry beans to this. Please always try to soak your beans overnight or parboil it. This will eliminate any complaint that you usually have after eating beans. It does not digest well, or feel tiredness, or maybe too much gas. It will help you eliminate or get rid of any harmful protective chemical, and then allow your food to digest easily, and a greater nutritional absorption plus benefit. I just drained my beans and then give it a thorough mix. Please, a thorough rinse, sorry. Do this up to 3 to 4 times to make sure your beans is completely clean. So here we have a cleaned beans. I am just going to transfer to my cooking pot and then add enough water to cook. Add some sliced onion and then cover it up to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes and come back to see. We are going to blend our mixed pepper. So remember, it's no palm oil recipe, guys. So I just added some vegetable oil on my preheated pot, and then add some sliced onions. Saute this and add your tomato base. Next, I am going to add some blended Scotch bonnet pepper and cover it up and simmer for about 10 minutes. Here I have a beautiful paste, tomato base. Because we wouldn't want any liquid in here, I am going to season with 1 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of vegetable powder, and then also cover it, stir it, cover it to continue to simmer for 5 minutes. I am satisfied. You can see the oils are swimming up. This shows we have no liquid in here left. I am going to set aside and move on to check up on our beans. How is our beans doing? I am going to add some water to these beans and then continue to cook for some time. Here we go. It's been 50 minutes. I've been cooking all together. I am sure the beans is fine. See how soft it is. I am just going to match this with my cooking spoon. This is to thicken it and also give it that creamy look that we want. And then I am going to add other ingredients, which is the turmeric. The turmeric is the secret ingredient to this. This will give it that beautiful color that makes it look like a palm oil beans. It's not palm oil beans. Add your turmeric and your vegetable powder. Remember the essence of using this ingredient, these spices, is not only for fun, but it's always good to add all these spices to our food, the health benefit, and so on and so forth. And then I added my tomato paste and stir this to see if you are fine with how the look is or the color. If not, still add some turmeric. First, I am going to add my blended shrimps. I love to add my shrimps at the end of it because I will have that taste at the end too. So I still added some turmeric. Stir this and see I am fine with it. I'm going to cover this up to continue to simmer. First, always test your food to see if you need any ingredient. Yes, I just realized I needed some salt. I haven't had any salt till now. I just added 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it, cover up, simmer for some time, and then come back and see. Also added some tablespoon small amount of salt to my plantain and fry it behind, and then check up on our beans. We are ready to go. I wouldn't let this go thicker than this. I don't like any thick beans. Then I am going to add the other secret ingredient, which is the sour cream. Add your sour cream or natural yogurt. This point is just to make your beans real creamy. I love it, and to rhyme all the spices together. I bet you will love it. Give it a try. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and to get notified anytime I post a new video. Don't forget to like at the end of it, share with your loved ones, and leave your comment down below. I just garnished this meal with a chief blossom. This chief blossom, you can also eat it. It's eatable. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.